Today we would like to take you guys along with us to visit Wolpo Beach that was featured in the K-drama Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. We will also be doing some other interesting stuff that is within the same area. So let's go and check it out together. Let's go!
Let's go!
The upcoming places in this video are all located at the Cheonha Township at Pohang's Buk-gu district. They are located close to each other, and so if you would like to visit, you may follow this itinerary. Here's the famous Wolpo Beach. In the K-drama, this is the spot where Hae-jin and Chief Hong meet for the first time. And it certainly seems like this is a popular surfing spot in Pohang, as we saw quite a number of people with their surfboards all around. Being near the ocean makes Hubs and I happy. We truly find joy in life's simple pleasures. A stone's throw away is the Igari Anchor Observatory. It's a famous attraction as it was the main filming location for the K-drama Run On. At 10 meters high and 102 meters long, this lookout pier in the unique shape of an anchor is located in the village of Igari. This is a scenic lookout area, great for enjoying the sights and taking photos too. I saw people going down under the pier to explore, and that could be an option if you intend to visit. Also a short drive up is Geurigo Cheongjin and Ocean View Cafe. We had the entire cafe all to ourselves and we loved it. There's just something about this which delights me. I have a funny feeling it's got a lot to do with getting old. We went up to check out the rooftop area, which was lovely. And then we spent the rest of the afternoon here just chilling out and unwinding while enjoying nature at its finest. And that, in my book, makes a perfect day.